This is our model Nico from our HQ collection. We began by duplicating Andre's haircut. Build in graduation on the bottom of the head with clipper over comb. Utilize basic horizontal sections in the transition, but do not follow the head shape at the back. Using the shear, create a tall square top, followed by clipper over comb to strengthen the silhouette. Beginning in the back of the head and working forward, revisit the transition with a razor over clipper comb technique, targeting forward towards the face. Secure the front hairline with the clipper comb and increase the surface texture with razor over comb. Using side-to-side sections with alternating targets, work razor over comb moving forward. Use the King Louis IV comb for added separation to the top and refinement in Zone 2. Detail the perimeter with freehand clipper and clipper over comb. Utilize all techniques for ultimate refinement of the low fade. Use freehand and freehand fanning with light tension to achieve consistent graduation in the fade. Mimic the featured HQ horseshoe parting. Note that this parting sits high in the recession and drops low in the back behind the ears, resting just above the occipital bone. Continue around the entire perimeter, creating scalp exposure in Zone 1 and refining with clipper over comb when necessary.